Yeah, now we are online.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening, Devendra ji, and good evening, Rinkesh ji.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good
And
evening.
let us wait for some time to join some of our friends on live so that we can start.
Yeah, sure.
We'll starting within next 1 or 2 minutes.
I'll just
Uh,
connect in a minute. मेरे यहाँ पे कुछ problem आ रही है. Waiting for broadcast to start आ रहा है. So
okay,
let me join again. So I'll leave for a
okay,
second.
please.
Okay. Let me accept in. Yes.
So he's
Yes.
Yes.
So Rinkesh ji is also on board. So
Right.
good
Yeah.
evening, friends. Good evening, all. We'll be continuing with our talk show. Let us talk money. And in this series today, we are going to discuss about women participation and women empowerment in the financial education field. As we all know that uh, the house is mainly managed by the women head person of the family. So they are one of the most strongest pillars of our family. So whenever we are discussing, we are talking about money, we are talking about personal finance, we are talking about finance of our family, or we are talking about the financial matters of our society. Without involvement of women, the involvement just becomes half, 50%, because 50% of the population is almost 50% of the population is women. So it will be very unjustified if we will not talk about women and their participation in any of the fields we can ever think of. So today we'll be discussing about the participation of women in the financial matters. As it is told that a man is that much of successful, his better half allows him to. हम
Very
लोगों
true.
को जितना हम लोग जितना सक्सेसफुल हों या फिर ना हो, उस उसमें हमारे बेटर हाफ का सबसे बड़ा हाथ रहता है. उनका अगर इन्वॉल्वमेंट, उनका अगर पार्टिसिपेशन, उनका अगर हेल्प हमारे साथ है, देन स्काई इज द लिमिट. और उनका अगर हेल्प हमारे साथ नहीं है, देन योर एफर्ट, ऑल योर एफर्ट गोज इन वेन. तो इसीलिए गोइंग अहेड विद दिस टॉपिक, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट देवेंद्र जी to kindly share his ideas, his thoughts on this, and how we can involve them so that we can get the best benefit out of these thoughts. Devendra ji, please. Then I'll come to Rinkesh ji's thoughts, please.
Right.
Thank you, Anup sir, for describing and setting the context. You have rightly said that without the participation in the financial matters of the woman, or especially the women, those are married basically. So involvement in financial matters is very utmost for urgency right now. But what the reason why do the women need financial literacy? There's the some few. I think some voice is echoing.
Right.
Okay,
So
just
I'll be muting myself by the time you are speaking.
okay. Okay. Echoing is still there or now it is
नहीं, it's okay.
clear?
अब ठीक है. It's okay. No more echo.
I'm audible now?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, yes, yes. So why do women need financial literacy? Because women empowerment and the women financial literacy, you can say एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं. Most of the you must be agree with this statement that this thing is true, and whatever the unseen emergencies come in our family or in anyone's family, financial literacy in women is prepare for them to any kind of emergencies, especially in case of financial matters. And you must be agree that apart from men, women has more participation in the dealing with the rising day-to-day living expenses in our houses. So they are dealing with so if they are financial literate, it will help them to deal with the rising cost of living. And if they are they have well known about the inflation, so they can handle financial matters more better as compared to men, because men has to go outside and other things, and if woman is financial literate, because in what happens in the families, children are tend to more influenced by their mothers than
Right.
their father. So being
बिल्कुल.
financially literate, they set the context among the children and set a good example for for them as well. How to make them more aware about the financials, about the money, right? And one fact is there: women has longer lifespan than men. So if they are financially literate, they can handle day-to-day affairs and manage finances in well manner. So and this financial literacy in women will more give them more confidence in their own decisions. So this utmost urgency or very necessary to a woman to have financial literacy. And
Right.
expert is also believe that knowing financial literacy and actually implementing in, they are the two different things. But the financial literacy in women and it actually real implementation start with the houses, right? And some studies show that some studies is already given the result, and that show that women are often unable to leave abusive family situation or marriages due to financial dependency. Meaning there's lots of things happening after marriage. Get the marriage is just like a bulb. If the two wire is correctly मैच कर जाते हैं, तो it will be enlighten our life. और जो two wire अगर सही से नहीं जुड़ते हैं, तो it will short circuiting.
Right.
So rightly that's it. So if in case of some avoidable circumstances happening, but woman is still मतलब वो उसको सिवाय झेलने के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because she is financial dependence on her husband, so she cannot take decisions if the situation is so
Right.
worse. So it is a urgency for or it is a need for women to have financial literacy.
बिल्कुल.
So these are the current situation and the pain, and what are happening right now. There are lots of initiatives going on, right? The Smile this foundation, Smile Foundation, they and the Soyman project. Smile Foundation and Soyman project are the basically NGO related this project, and they are doing their programs and very initial levels, right from the village to blazes and other the women. And recently one event conducted by this Swabhiman project in the Bangalore. And in one this international organization also there. This is a women collection. they have collaboration with the Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company, and they launch a project named For Her. For the it is one of the largest financial literacy initiative aimed to empower women among the financial literacy in India. This program is already existing abroad, but recently they introduced this program in India. And the founder of this women collection says, for her is the laser focus to bring financial education to all women in India, regardless of their current level of knowledge. And they are having very ambitious goals for there. They are planning to empower 10 million women in India in the next 3 years. So
Great.
so these are some initiative, and lots of initiatives Indian government is also taking. So we will discuss in some next or some annual talk show. We will discuss more details about the same. So,
Right.
so over to Rinkesh, over to Anup sir.
या थैंक यू देवेंद्र जी। ये जो है सीधा बोला जाए तो हमारा फैमिली का पूरा भागदौड़, फैमिली के फाइनेंस का पूरा भागदौड़ हम लोगों के विमेन मेंबर्स के हाथ में रहता है। इवन आई वुड गो इनटू एन एक्सटेंट वेयर हम लोग इनकम करते हैं, लेकिन खर्चा कहाँ पे होता है, क्या होता है, हम लोगों को खुद को पता नहीं रहता है। ज्यादातर हम देखेंगे कि हमने सारा पैसा खर्चा कर दिया, बट हमारे जेब से थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा करके बचा के हमारे वाइफ हो, हमारे मम्मी हो या फिर हमारे बहन हो, वो जो थोड़ी थोड़ी से बचत करके हम लोगों के घर को वो संभाल के रखते हैं, इन द टाइम ऑफ इमरजेंसी दो स्मॉल सेविंग्स help us in such a big manner, वो हम बयान नहीं कर सकते। एंड दिस हैपेंस टू ऑलमोस्ट ईच एंड एवरी फैमिली, क्योंकि हम लोग देखे हैं कि जहाँ पे भी हम देखें हर किसी का 14वीं रात हर दिन नहीं रहता है, तो अमावस के टाइम में ही हम लोगों को ये सारे इनिशिएटिव्स जो हैं वुमेन का वो हम लोगों को पता चलता है। एंड एडिंग टू दैट व्हाटएवर रिंकेश जी का थॉट है वो भी सुन लेते हैं एक बार। रिंकेश जी, ओवर टू यू प्लीज।
या थैंक यू अनुज जी। और इसका सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल हमें डिमोनेटाइजेशन के टाइम मिला।
पता चला कि क्या
क्या हमसे छुपा के रखा हुआ है।
Without having so much of financial education, they are taking care of finance। और जो हमने देखा at the time of demonetization, so suppose if they are have a proper knowledge of finance education, so what they can do।
रिंकेश जी।
या थैंक यू अनूप जी। और when it's come to money, so I basically think कि women are better in budgeting finance than their husband। बिल्कुल ठीक कहा देवेंद्र जी ने। और इसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए कि I will say कि like I'm into my business from last 20 years, तो मैंने जो देखा है कि they are even better in business also, women।
Yes,
because
yes.
they are, मेरे पास जो है मैंने जो नोट किया है कि like 3-4 points, like because they are more open and honest। तो जो ये चीज जो है उनको मैन जो है हम लोग जनरली we don't acknowledge something। अगर हमारे से कुछ गलत हो जाता है तो हम इतनी जल्दी उसको acknowledge नहीं करते और उसको फिक्स करने की कोशिश नहीं करते। लेकिन वुमेन they are much better in fixing and acknowledging their mistakes। और then वुमेन जो है they build a strong relationship, चाहे वो हमारे एम्प्लॉयज के साथ हो, when it come to even vendors या हमारे कस्टमर्स के साथ, तो they are also into building a very strong relationship, plus they have a strong bonds, maybe due to empathy जिसे हम कह सकते हैं कि make strong bond with these customers as well as employees. And एक और point जो है जो मेरे दिमाग में आया कि women are better, they are also better team player due to
Yes.
due to their nature. They are, maybe you can say, they are highly communicative, and they are like willing to share also. जो है ladies में they have a habit of willing to share, so due to this they are highly communicative and they are better team player. And
Yes.
fourth point which I have noticed, they have more patience, जिसकी वजह से है दे मतलब जो है वो फाइनेंस जो है दे आर बेटर इन फाइनेंस, जो है फाइनेंस को संभालने में जो है बेटर एंड बेसिकली देखा जाए तो दे आर विलिंग टू प्ले इन लॉन्ग गेम्स, दे डोंट थिंक शॉर्ट टर्म, दे थिंक लॉन्ग टर्म. हम जनरली फिर भी एक बारी को सोच जाते हैं कि यार चलो अभी इसको कर देते हैं, लेकिन दे आर विलिंग टू प्ले लॉन्ग. तो आई थिंक दे आर, इफ मतलब दे कैन बी मतलब दे आर इन बेटर इन बिजनेस ऑल्सो. तो ये जो 4-5 पॉइंट है जो मेरे दिमाग में आया, विच गेन जो है उनके अंदर जो है इस चीज के लिए जो है बिजनेस के लिए जो है दे हैव मोर पावर. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अनूप जी, आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
Adding up to your valuable points, I'll say that women are much better managers than we are.
राइट.
रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल मैं बताता हूं मैं, क्योंकि हम लोगों से एक बच्चा संभलता नहीं है. Men, I'm talking about one man, and what they do, they take care of the children, they take care of your kitchen, they take care of your laundry, they take care of your finance, home finance, they take care of your parents, and they take care of your well-beings. कभी अगर आपका तबीयत कुछ बिगड़ जाए तो दे टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. एंड ये जो मल्टीटास्किंग, मल्टी मैनेजमेंट वाला जो चीज है ना, ये हमको सभी से सीखना चाहिए, सभी माओ से, सभी बहनों से हम लोगों को सीखना चाहिए. तो अगर इतने सारे गुण हैं, विमेन के पास इतने सारे गुण हैं, और हम लोग उनको अनएजुकेटेड करके रखते हैं, तो दिस इज समथिंग आई विल से वी आर डूइंग इनजस्टिस. तो छोटा वर्ड हो जाएगा, हम लोग पाप कर रहे हैं, वी आर डूइंग सिन. तो इसीलिए हम लोग जो पहले डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि विमेन के ऊपर एक बार हम लोगों को एक डिस्कस करना चाहिए, एक एपिसोड रखना चाहिए. मेरे ख्याल से हम लोगों का एक एपिसोड इसके लिए काफी नहीं है. हम लोगों को इसके लिए बोलने के लिए बात कम पड़ जाएंगे. हम लोग अगर बोलना चालू करेंगे, डिस्कस करना चालू करेंगे, तो अभी हम लोगों ने एक बार आज के लिए हम लोग ये शुरू किए जो हैं ये जो टॉपिक, एंड इन दिस लेटेस्ट टॉक मनी में हम लोगों ने जो शुरू किया है ऑन विमेन. आई थिंक वी शुड कंटिन्यू विथ दिस चैप्टर, विथ दिस टॉपिक फॉर फर्दर एपिसोड्स ऑल्सो. और उसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि अभी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि हम लोग विमेन के पार्टिसिपेशन लेवल क्या हैं और क्या किया जा सकता है, एंड व्हाट वी कैन डू टू इंक्रीज देयर पार्टिसिपेशन. बिकॉज पार्टिसिपेशन अगर उनका जितना है उसमें अगर थोड़ा सा और भी इम्प्रूवमेंट आ जाए, उन लोगों के पास अगर थोड़ा सा और टेक्निक मिल जाए उन लोगों को, देन I don't think that they are doing anything less than miracles.
Right.
So to sum up the discussion, because we are having a small discussion today, to sum up the discussion, I would request Devendra ji and then Rinkesh ji, एक सेंटेंस में आप लोग थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब करें कि व्हाट वी कैन डू फॉर एजुकेटिंग द women power, so that it will be better for our family, it will be better for our society. देवेंद्र जी, हम
Yes,
लोग
sir.
क्या कर सकते हैं?
So basically, it's our responsibility to make our wives and other sisters and other whatever the females are in house. So it's our responsibility to make them aware and about the finance. And first and foremost, because we are hitting their mindset. So if we want to set set up this concept in their mind. So before that, we have to persuade them, right? With us,
Correct.
right, with the right discussion, and then we can take their views, whatever the
Consent.
yeah, consent, whatever financial decision we are going to make. We should have proper discussion with them. What are their consequences? What are their benefits? And what consequences will occur? So if we discuss among our wives and other women family member, definitely we would have a better decision making in our finances. So we can
Right.
just
Thank
start the discussion about what are the financial decision we're going to make. That's thing.
ग्रेट रिंकेश जी.
सर मेरा तो यही है कि एंड न्यू ईयर इज कमिंग, तो अब नए साल के लिए एवरीबॉडी वुड बी थिंकिंग देयर न्यू गोल्स और सब चीजें जो है न्यू
New
प्लानिंग,
resolution.
फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, न्यू रेजोल्यूशंस. तो उसके लिए वी शुड सिट विद आवर फैमिली, नॉट ओनली वाइफ या मदर या पेरेंट्स के साथ, इवन वी शुड इन्वॉल्व अवर किड्स आल्सो. उनके
Yes.
साथ बैठ के हमें जो है न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस और न्यू ईयर गोल्स एंड न्यू ईयर प्लानिंग जो है हमें मिलके जो है सबके साथ फैमिली के साथ जो है वी शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. दिस इज माय सजेशन.
Because
Great,
whatever the
great,
financial
great,
decision
Rinkesh.
whatever the financial decision we are taking, or whatever their consequences, our family will go to suffer. With
बिल्कुल.
the if we are taking right decision for their benefit, for their betterment, definitely our family will be happy. If we are taking this decision against them, so definitely the suffer will be our family will suffer the same.
राइट.
करेक्ट.
What are your views, Anuj ji?
नहीं, मैं भी आप लोगों से बहुत मतलब 100% एग्री करता हूँ, बिकॉज लॉट मेनी टाइम्स वट एवर इज हैपनिंग फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस मैटर आर देयर, we mostly take the decisions from by ourselves only. We hardly involve our female partners or our spouse or mothers or our daughters or whatever family members. हम लोग उतना उसमें हम लोग उनको इन्वॉल्व नहीं करते हैं. But if we can involve them, then both sides of the coin will be in front of us when we are taking any decision. उसमें हम लोग अगर सोचते हैं कि कहीं पे हम लोग जो भी करता है, कुछ भी करता है, वो भले के लिए ही करता है, भले के लिए सोच के करता है. But at times what happens, we miss out some of the areas where some negative things can occur. तो एक जने के बदले अगर दो जने बैठ के उसको डिसाइड करें, कुछ डिस्कशन करके डिसीजन ले, then it becomes a better decision and the chances of success increases when the like-minded people discuss about something and take the decision. तो like-minded इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि कोई कुछ भी हो, when the two parts, spouses, they decide, they think of something, always they think for the betterment of the family. So that's where the like-mindedness comes. तो इसीलिए हम तीनों का जो एक सारांश निकल के आता है इस डिस्कशन से, वो है कि we should always involve our better half for taking any type of financial decisions, mainly because we are talking about money right now. तो financial decisions कभी भी लेने के वक्त हम लोगों को दोनों को बैठ के एटलीस्ट इसके बारे में डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. And with that, I would thank both of our panelists, Devendra ji and Rinkesh ji, for sharing your views, your thoughts for this episode. And we'll be discussing in the same topic, in at least 1 or 2 more episodes, forthcoming episodes. So till that time, bye bye, good night, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay financially and spiritually healthy.
Be financially
Thank you.
literate.
Good night.
Thank
Be
you.
financially literate. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Okay, good night. Take care.
Good night.